2 best daily habits for your healthy manhood. That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the habits you as a man will adopt for you to have a healthy manhood and for you to have a good erection and perform well when the need arises. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 2 best daily habits you as a man need to adopt to have a healthy manhood? These 2 habits are the best. In fact, I especially bring out these 2 to give you as a man for you to adopt it in order to perform well when the need arises. These 2 habits are what every man needs to adopt on daily basis, not once but daily, months, years. Once you keep doing these habits, your life will change. Assuming that you don't perform well as a man, try to adopt these 2 best daily habits. You will see a good changes in your life. Number 1 is to always drink water. What is water? Water is part of life, and for you to take water, it must be at least 2 liters per day. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day to help you stay hydrated. Why do you need to drink water per day? 1, it will make you to have a good blood circulation, and blood and fluid will mix together to help you have a good functional system in your body system. 2, it will make you to stay hydrated, because once you stay hydrated, it will help your immune system to boost up and help your immune system to be highly functional, to be in the best state of health. Your immune system will work perfectly if you stay hydrated or if you have enough water in your body system. That is why every man needs to drink enough water. And besides, drinking enough water will help you to disrupt or destroy erectile dysfunction. And if you drink enough water, you are going to have a good erection, because fluid and blood circulation works in hand with erection. If you don't have a good blood circulation and water circulation in your body system, you will always experience erectile dysfunction. But with adequate water or staying hydrated will always make you to have a good erection and to maintain erection. That is why you need to drink water 2 liters per day. It will help your body system. Never think of being dehydrated, because it will affect your body system. Signs that you are dehydrated are: 1, your skin will shrink. You will have erectile dysfunction, but on how you drink water, you will see your skin will be smooth and wet. Your skin will be healthy and you will always have a good erection. Number 2 habit that you need to adopt is to always take fruit. Fruit is very important. Never base on eating solid food, but I will advise every man out there to engage taking fruit. Consume fruit consistently. Consume fruit like never before. Fruits are very important, and fruits are the most powerful thing that the body needs. Not solid food, bread, butter. No. Fruit is the best, because fruit is natural. On how you take fruits, it will boost up your immune system. If you take fruit consistently, assuming that you are the type that want to make your sperm thick, it will help you to have a thick sperm. If you are somebody that is suffering from erectile dysfunction, fruit can make you to have a good erection. Fruit is very good, especially to men. If you want to be a man, you want to always perform well, try to consume fruits on a daily basis. It will help you and it will help your body system. So these are the two best daily habits every man needs to adopt to perform well as a man. Consume fruits to be the best and drink enough water to stay hydrated. That is hydration. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. Please support this channel by subscribing, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, because I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye for now.